Today we're going to be taking some time to look around our next port of call on our Alaskan adventure, enjoying some of the offerings on board the Disney Wonder, and having a toast to another wonderful day. So, let's make our way to our next port of call to pick up the story. Hello and welcome to day 5 of our Disney Cruise Line Alaskan adventure. Today we're in the beautiful port of Juneau, which you may be able to see in the background right there. Although we're not actually going to be doing a port adventure today, we've had to make some changes based on our day. So we are going to head into the town to go ahead and see what the town has to offer. But we're also going to go ahead and take a look on board the ship at some of the areas that we haven't explored already. So let's go ahead and check it all out. This morning we ordered room service as we needed that all-important jolt of caffeine to start our day, even though we knew we were going to be heading to Cabanas for breakfast at the buffet. Just a short distance from the port you'll find the seaplane airport, a unique and exciting feature of many Alaskan towns. The sight of seaplanes taking off and landing on the water is a common and captivating experience as you dock. These planes are a vital part of transportation in this rugged region, offering breathtaking aerial tours and quick access to remote locations. The proximity of the seaplane airport to the port adds an extra layer of adventure to your visit as you watch these small aircraft gracefully maneuver over the water, providing a glimpse into the adventurous spirit of Alaska. Cabanas on the Disney Wonder is a casual buffet-style dining venue located on Deck 9 aft. This relaxed eatery offers stunning ocean views with both indoor and outdoor seating options, making it a popular spot for families and groups. For breakfast, Cabanas serves a wide variety of offerings, catering to all tastes. You'll find everything from classic American breakfast items such as scrambled eggs, bacon and pancakes to international selections including fresh pastries, fruit, yogurt and cereals. There's also an omelette station where you can customize your eggs just the way you like them. The buffet style setup allows guests to choose their favorites and enjoy a hearty start to the day as they prepare for a day of adventure on board or at the port. Juneau, the capital of Alaska, is a city like no other. Nestled between towering mountains and the pristine waters of the Gastineau Channel, it's one of the most remote capitals in the US, accessible only by boat or plane. This unique location makes Juneau a destination full of natural beauty and rich history. One fun fact about Juneau is that it's the only state capital in the US not connected to the rest of the state by road. Despite its remoteness, Juneau is brimming with things to see and do. Visitors can explore the majestic Mendenhall Glacier, just 12 miles from downtown. This awe-inspiring glacier offers hiking trails, a visitor center, and breathtaking views. For wildlife enthusiasts, whale watching in Juneau is a must-do. The waters around the city are prime spots for spotting humpback whales, orcas, and other marine life. Juneau also offers opportunities for gold panning, allowing you to experience a piece of the gold rush era. For us, a stroll through the town taking in the sights was on the cards before heading back to the Disney Wonder. Once back on board, we made our way to the French Quarter Lounge. Evie had been eyeing up the La Bouffe favourite for the last few days due to it being sweet and indulgent, and I decided to sample some of the flavours on offer from the Alaskan Brewing Company. A great selection was offered on board, and it would have been rude not to try all that Alaska had to offer. Our first top tip is to check with your servers for any promotions being offered. For us, we took advantage of a promotion where you purchase 5 beers and the 6th is free. The fitness centre on board the Disney Wonder offers a state-of-the-art experience for guests looking to stay active while sailing. Located on Deck 9 forward, this facility provides a range of equipment and amenities designed to suit all fitness levels and goals. The centre features a variety of cardio machines including treadmills, ellipticals and stationary bikes, all positioned with panoramic ocean views to keep you motivated as you work out. As we leave the port of Juneau, as with all the cruise, the views don't disappoint. Pro tip number 2, when planning your Alaskan cruise, be sure to choose your stateroom category with the itinerary in mind. For this breathtaking journey, we recommend at least selecting a stateroom with a porthole to enjoy the stunning views right from your room. However, if you truly want to immerse yourself in the spectacular scenery, opt for a balcony stateroom. With a private balcony, you can step outside and drink in the magnificent vistas of towering glaciers, snow-capped mountains, and serene waters anytime you like. It's the perfect way to experience Alaska's natural beauty from the comfort of your own space. With that, it's time to head to the Walt Disney Theatre for tonight's entertainment, Frozen, a musical spectacular. This show truly brings the magic of Arendelle to life. This Broadway-style production features all your favourite characters from the beloved film, including Anna, Elsa and Olaf, as they embark on a heartwarming journey filled with music, adventure and a touch of icy magic. The stunning sets, dazzling special effects and show-stopping performances make this a must-see experience for guests of all ages. Whether you're singing along to Let It Go or marvelling at the enchanting choreography, this show captures the essence of Disney storytelling in a way that will leave you spellbound. After enjoying the fantastic entertainment this evening, we spent some time taking in some more of those amazing views, and were blessed to see some wildlife join us as we make our way to our next port of call. Due to how far north we are, it gets dark later in the evening, allowing you to make the most of the scenery. There was just enough time to make our way down to the Cadillac Lounge for pre-dinner drinks before heading to dinner. The Cadillac Lounge on the Disney Wonder is the perfect spot for pre-dinner drinks in an elegant, relaxed setting. Located on Deck 3 aft, this sophisticated piano bar offers a vintage automotive-themed atmosphere reminiscent of the classic 1950s Cadillacs. With plush seating, dim lighting, and smooth jazz melodies playing in the background, it's an ideal place to unwind before your evening meal. The lounge features an extensive menu of expertly crafted cocktails, fine wines, and premium spirits, ensuring there's something to suit every palate. The pink Cadillac caught our eyes on the menu this evening, containing Ciroc coconut, watermelon liqueur, and Moët ice, a really tasty and relaxing way to get ready for dinner. Tonight, our rotational dining took us to Triton's, one of the elegant main dining rooms on board the Disney Wonder. It was Lobster Night, which is a fan favourite evening that many guests eagerly anticipate. The succulent lobster, expertly prepared and beautifully presented, is always a highlight. However, as someone who isn't a fan of lobster, I opted for something a little different. I chose the fettuccine and parmesan crusted chicken, a dish that did not disappoint. The pasta was perfectly cooked, and the chicken, with its crispy, flavourful crust, was a delightful alternative. Whether you're indulging in the lobster or selecting another option, dining at Triton's always promises a memorable meal. Adding to our delightful evening at Triton's, Evie made a bold choice with the Thai red curry pumpkin and coconut curry, a dish that brought a vibrant and exotic flavour to the table. When it came time for dessert, we both indulged our sweet tooth. Evie, continuing her trend from the previous evening, selected the Alaskan strawberry Romanoff bread pudding, sticking with her theme of choosing dishes with Alaskan in the title. Meanwhile, I went for my favourite, the raspberry vanilla creme brulee, which I can never resist. To top it off, we couldn't pass up the opportunity to share the apricot trio, which looked and sounded too amazing to miss. It was the perfect way to end our meal, combining our favourite flavours with a shared treat that truly lived up to its promise. Well, that brings us to the end of day 5 and a pretty nice meal. We were at Triton's this evening. What was your favourite part of the meal?
That raspberry creme brulee. So creamy.
It was really good, wasn't it? So tomorrow we're going to be in Ketchikan, but we will see you in the morning.
Yeah.